Welcome to Navia Simultaneous Login. In this quick demo, I will show you how to use the Navia app simultaneously on both web and mobile using a QR code. And do note that if you want to switch between web and mobile, you should be at least logged in one platform. Now let's see Navia login from app to web. First, on your computer, go to navia.co.in and click the login icon. You will see a QR code on the screen. Now on your Navia app, go to the account tab at the bottom and click on login to web. You will see a short disclaimer that Navia needs camera access to scan the QR code. Tick the checkbox to consent and tap accept. Read the instructions and then tap continue. Point your phone at the QR code on your computer and scan it. That's it. You are now logged in on Navia web for easy access to trading and tracking. Now the Navia login from web to app. Click the scan icon on the desktop. Now you will see a pop-up stating that do you want this session in mobile? Tap confirm. On your phone, tap login with QR code on the login page. Scan the QR code on your desktop. That's it. You can now access Navia both on your mobile and web simultaneously. Thank you for watching.